The numbers are in and they show there's been a cool down in the GTA housing market. The Toronto Real Estate Board says there's been significant decline in home sales of last month, and for many home buyers, it's become a wait and see game.
The first 3 months was almost like a fantasy for a seller. It's not realistic. And what we're seeing right now is people sitting on the sidelines.
This real estate agent isn't surprised by TREB's numbers. The report showing a little under 8,000 homes were sold last month compared to the nearly 13,000 in June 2016. That's a 37% plunge. TREB is blaming the Ontario Fair Housing Plan, which among other things includes a 15% tax on foreign buyers, for the decline, saying would-be buyers are waiting to see what happens.
Buyers are thinking we should wait, the prices might be stabilizing, going down.
There have also been reports that would-be buyers are backing out of deals, concerned that prices have dropped month over month. That's helped to increase the supply of more homes on the market. TREB says listings have gone up 16%.
Some sellers haven't been able to close on their deals, so they've been instructed to go back to market. So that's adding to the amount of supply in the marketplace today.
The region's housing sales decline was also a big talker at City Hall today.
I think Toronto property values are going to be solid going forward. You can't look at blips up and down. You have to look at the long term. This is a growing, dynamic city that is a magnet for people from around the world and investment from around the world. And if anything, our challenge is going to be to keep up with that demand.
But while sales are plunging, the average selling price in the GTA is a little over 6% higher this month, year over year. But that number is skewed, according to McDaddy.
It's such a strong first quarter that prices year over year are still up.
McDaddy says bidding wars and the days of waiting for multiple offers are gone.
As an agent, if I have a seller who gets a good, viable offer, we're recommending they take a look at it from the get-go versus waiting to see what the future holds. I think you're going to see more of a normalized market, something in between.
The government's fair housing plan will be discussed at a meeting with Toronto City Council sometime this week. Now, the Bank of Canada is also expected to raise interest rates next week, and that may have another cooling impact on the housing market.